In this tutorial you will learn how to make this colorful bracelet, for which you need 18 strands of red and sea green thread, and 15 strands of gold thread. Each wire is 1 meter long. In the middle of the 4 wires, use 3 strands of gold wire to make a short winding. To tighten the winding while winding, the winding needs to be about 2.5 centimeters. After winding, cut the gold wire and press it through the coil. Then pull the lower thread to tighten the winding. Cut the excess thread and burn it. Fold in center. Then take the 2 outmost gold threads and wrap a snake knot. Tie another snake knot. After the knot, each thread in the middle needs to be pulled and tightened again. As in the video, line up left and right. Start braiding 8 strands. Take the top thread on the right and pull it through the middle of the 4 threads on the left. Go back to the right and become the bottom line. Then pull the top thread on the left to the middle of the 4 threads on the right and pass it through. Go back to the left and become the bottom line. Repeat the above steps. Repeat until the required length is reached. If the hand circumference is 15 centimeters, it needs to be braided about 20 centimeters long. After braiding, wrap it with 3 strands of gold wire about 1 centimeter of short winding wire. Leave about 1 millimeter of excess thread and cut it off. Use the blue flame of a lighter to burn the thread ends. While burning, gently press the end of the thread in a circle. Make it smooth. Finally, you need to braid a flat knot coil for adjustment. Take a 72 number jade thread and wrap it around your hand twice and secure it. Then take gold wire and 1 red strand, and fold a small section at the front. Make flat knot and hanging thread like this in the video. Then make a two-way flat knot, one on the left and one on the right. Here is total of made 10 sets of flat knots. Cut off the excess thread and burn it. Pass the hand rope through the flat knot loop and then through the gold coil. Fold the end of the hand rope in half and place the flat knot loop on top. Tighten the coil. Cut off the excess thread and burn. Now our bracelet is complete. You can also add beautiful little heart dumpling. Thank you for watching the video. At the end, please like and comment the video and also subscribe to the channel to encourage us.